Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome joint-friendly cardio. That's right, it's so important to get that heart rate moving every once in a while, move your body, burn calories, and have fun. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna be doing 2 sets. I'm gonna be doing each one with you. It's a follow along. The first one has a little bit more demonstration and talking. Just keep up with me. And then the second one is less talking, more doing, since you know what you're gonna do. If you feel like you have good knowledge of exercise, go ahead and fast forward to that second set and get to it. But if not, we're gonna be starting with a marching in place. All right, so a simple marching in place like this, hands on your knees, or you can go ahead and challenge your core a little bit more and your balance and go ahead with some high knees. All right, we're gonna be doing this for 30 seconds. Big breath and let's go. All right. Even though we're just moving our legs here, our entire body is engaged. Our core is nice and tight. Our shoulders are pushed away from our ears. Our chest is up and proud. And we are most importantly breathing, all right? So important to breathe, deliver oxygen to the muscles. In your nose, out your mouth. Remember, you can go ahead and do a quick little march here. And you can switch it up. You can go from little to big. All right, 3, 2, 1, and very good, awesome. Shake it out, shake it out. Alrighty, next we have some step jacks. This is a jumping jack modification. If jumping's a little bit rough on your knees, this is a perfect variation. If you wanna go ahead and do the normal, jumping jacks, go for it. If not, what we're gonna be doing is just stepping out, like so. All right, stepping out, and if you want to even add something else to it, you can do a little butt kick. So you can go here. All right, so many different variations. So choose yours, 30 seconds, and let's go. Whoop. There we go, a little coordination there. Remember to a nice little bend when you step out, all right? But making sure you're not arching your back. So we're not, arching our back. Our back is nice and straight. All right, good spine health, tucked in tummy. Breathing, very good. Almost there. Start to feel your heart rate go up. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Shake out those arms. Nice deep breath. I feel my heart starting to race a little bit. This is good, this is the goal. So our next step is going to be a box step. So we're gonna exercise our body and our mind on this one. It takes a little coordination. So we're gonna just simply make a box. So we're gonna step forward, step sideways, step back, and then side again. So we're making a box. All right, and then when we do our second set, we're gonna go the other way. All right, so nice exercise for the mind, the body, and 30 seconds. Let's go. Very good. Little dancer step, a little dancer size, jazzercise. You can get a little jiggy with it, push your hips towards it, do a little funky step, have some fun. Woo! But even if we're swinging around, having fun, our core is nice and tight. You can even put some arms into it. Woo! And 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath, and get ready for step, reach across. So we're gonna step to the side and then reach across. So nice torso twist here, body control, isolation, trying to keep your hips forward and just reach over with your torso. So it'll use those core muscles. So step and reach, step, reach, and you can do these fast. Very good, or slow. Whatever works for you. 30 seconds, and let's go. If you're working for that cardio, that heart rate up, go ahead and go a little faster. If you need a break, go ahead and slow it down. Very good, chest is up, shoulders are pushed away from our ears, no scrunched shoulders. Breathing, almost there. 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Simple movements, but hey, my heart rate is up. I'm a little out of breath. I'm sweating already. Really effective. That was only set 1. Take a second, grab some water, and get ready for set 2. Go ahead also and look at the time so that when you come back to this exercise and you don't need the talking and the demonstration anymore, you can go ahead and skip to this second set and get right to it. Go ahead and take a few seconds. Already set 2, less talking, more doing. Let's go. First exercise, marching in place. Little ones are high knees. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, you could switch it up. Don't forget to breathe. I just caught myself holding my breath. It happens sometimes when you're focused on something, you just kind of hold it in, but deep breaths. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Awesome, awesome. Now we have our step jacks. Choose your variation. 30 seconds. Breathing. Good, strong arms when they come up, okay? No flimsy arms, all right? Strong arms, move with intention. Nice bend when you come to the side. Breathing, very good. 3, 2, 1. Very good, shake it out, shake it out. Get ready for our box step. Breathing. Remember which way you went the first time. We're going the other side. I went this side, so now I'm going that side. All right, 3, 2, 1. Have fun with it. Woo! Box. Ooh. The more you move and have fun with it, the more calories you're burning, the more muscles you're using. So go ahead, let loose, have fun. As long as you got that, that box step. And if the box step is too confusing for you, go ahead and just bust it out. Have some fun. Woo! 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, shake it out. That was a fun one. All right, to wrap it up, we have the step reach across, okay? Breathing. Step, reach across, and let's go. Torso twist, remember, nice controlled movement, chest up. Very good. Almost there. And you don't have to look, side to side like I'm doing. If that's hurting your neck, go ahead and, just stay forward. 3, 2, 1. Very good, but guess what? We're not done. I have a little bonus exercise to wrap up the set. All right, we're gonna do jogging in place for 30 seconds. If you don't wanna jog, you can maybe just lift your heels. All right, and just kind of point your feet down, all right? Or just do a little march again. Butt kicks, all right? Choose what you wanna do, 30 seconds, bonus exercise, and let's go. And you don't have to stay in one place, all right? Go around. All right, very good. Switch it up if you want. Have some fun with it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. Very good. 3, 2, 1. All done. There you go. That was your first and second set of joint-friendly cardio. If you're ready for another one, go ahead, rewind to the beginning of set number 2. Have some fun. If not, go ahead and check out our channel. We have so many amazing workouts, meditations, stretches, nutrition advice videos. Check it out, ring the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.